Don't curse the darkness. Turn on the light. You blame the night as if the dark crawled in without your permission. The truth is you've stood still too long, waiting for a savior, hoping for a flicker, while holding the match in your own hand. The world won't offer you warmth. It won't hand you peace. It gives you storms, silence, and a room full of shadows. And it watches to see what kind of man you are. The one who shivers, or the one who strikes the flame. You keep expecting someone to show up. They won't. They're chasing their own light. So stop mourning the brightness that left. Stop whispering at ghosts. You aren't meant to sit in the dark. You are meant to burn through it. Set fire to the doubt. Let every step blind the ones who fed off your quiet. Don't curse the dark. Become what it fears. Strike the match.